Good day, Donovan here from My Agent Property Group with this week's property news from around the web. It might be a buyer's market, but sellers, your time is now. Reads the headline from Property 24. A link will be in the description below. Now, let's jump into this one and see what they have to say. SA's residential property market might still favor the buyer. Even with the recent 25 basis point increase, it remains historically low. However, industry data shows the time is right if homeowners are thinking about putting their homes on the market right now. Rate increase, no cause for alarm. The increase of 25 basis points in the repo rate is not unexpected. After holding steady at 3.5% for more than a year, it would not have stayed there much longer. But this also means it is not cause for panic. The groundwork has already been laid for consolidation of the residential property market, and this slight shift to 3.75% should not hamper the rebound which we have seen over the past year. After an initial surge last year in first home buyer activity, we are now seeing renewed interest from buyers at the upper end of the market as they make the most of the low interest rates. Bond applications for homes more than 3 million rand have increased by almost 48%, now accounting for just over 6% of all better bonds applications. Advice for sellers looking for a quick sale. Activity in big metros is pretty much back to pre-COVID levels, and banks are still lending aggressively, with average bonds in October being granted at 0.2% below prime. However, there are three key things sellers can do to make sure your property sells fast and at the best possible price. List your property correctly. Make sure that your property is priced right. Market data, valuation tools, portals, property comparisons, and historic selling prices in your agent's specialist areas all define the point at which a buyer will make an offer. Consider your buyer pool. Sellers need to ask themselves, is the price correct? Is it listed in the right pricing bracket to attract buyers that are willing to commit? And are there feet through the door and offers on the table? A good estate agent should be able to assist with these. Negotiate the best offer. A successful transaction is what the buyer is prepared to offer and what the seller is prepared to accept. But the negotiator is the agent. If you want to check the article for yourself, a link will be in the description below. Thank you again for watching. Now, if you wouldn't mind subscribing and clicking the notification bell, it will be greatly appreciated. Also, leave a like and a comment so we can hear what you think. Then, if you are interested in buying or selling in the Centurion area, contact Cully or Donovan at My Agent Property Group, your specialists in real estate.